Velocity AppXtender for IBM Lotus Domino easily extends enterprise applications to the BlackBerry smartphone without the need for developers. Lotus professionals can point and click through familiar forms and fields to create custom mobile apps using a wide range of BlackBerry smartphone features, including phone, SMS, email, and the BlackBerry browser. This demo will take you through some examples of applications built using Velocity AppXtender, and we'll look at how they were set up. My Notes workspace shows existing Lotus Notes applications with source data and the related AppXtender databases, which are configured to easily extend to BlackBerry devices. Velocity AppXtender provides 3 sample configurations for common Notes templates. One accesses databases created from the personal address book template. And here's what that looks like: a typical address book with contacts and job details. We can easily see how the same view looks on a BlackBerry with a simulator. Let's switch over and have a look. The 3 icons on the lower right of the BlackBerry screen are different types of AppXtender applications. Each is related to its appropriate Lotus Notes NSF file. Clicking on the AppXtender samples will take you to the examples we're covering in this demo. You can also see one of the different navigation styles you can use when creating your own apps. This one is the carousel style. Using the BlackBerry arrow keys, we'll cycle through the 3 prepackaged Domino templates: address book, document library, and discussion. Clicking the address book application shows the configured views choices. Selecting Contacts by Name shows the same view that we saw earlier in the Notes client. Easily navigate through pages by clicking Next and Previous, or by using the BlackBerry menu button. This sample application was built by simply selecting options from drop-down lists without any coding or other development tools required. It's a fairly simple example, but a good one to show how Velocity AppXtender lets you create apps without developer skills. So here's how it was done. Return to the Notes client and open the AppXtender Samples demo database. You'll see that the main screen of the Velocity AppXtender configuration database is split into 2 sides. The left side provides direct navigation to the building blocks you will use to create applications. Applications are on the right, with all of their components listed under the application name in blue bold text. The view name and file names for the configured views are displayed in the view. Let's open the Contacts view and see how it was set up. Click View Contacts, then the Edit button. There are several options for enabling features and controlling the appearance of the view. But to get started, all we need to do is select the database to look up. Select from the views in that database. Select any columns in that view that I want to be shown on the BlackBerry. What we're seeing is how the AppXtender configuration database controls the real-time display of Lotus Domino data on the BlackBerry device. It's that easy to change and that quick to see the results. Let's take a look at an application that was used in the 2010 Midwest Lotus Users Group meeting. The conference organizers built a Lotus Notes database for storing speaker and schedule information, and then we built an AppXtender application to mobilize it. Attendees could browse the conference schedule as they went from event to event. We added a custom graphic to visually tie the application to the conference. The list of options on the right corresponds to views in the source database. Select Friday's schedule, then click the triangle icon for 11:30 to see the sessions. Clicking on the Collaboration in the Cloud event accesses the Lotus Notes document for this session and displays the selected fields values to give the user more information on that event. Clicking More shows the full description. This uses the built-in JavaScript support in Velocity. If we click on the Speaker Bio button, we can see more details about our speaker. The picture is read from an attachment in the source notes database, and the app is integrated with the BlackBerry email client. Our next example shows how AppXtender can be used to extend CRM to the BlackBerry platform. This makes corporate contact info available everywhere and allows users to capture activity data in the field. This example extends Kryos' own notes-based CRM and requires a login when first accessed. Velocity authenticates against the Lotus Domino directory so that BlackBerry users only see the data that they're authorized to see in the Lotus Notes client. The home screen uses a customized layout where functions are accessed graphically, all of which can be custom designed to fit your app's look and feel. Clicking activities shows recent call reports entered either from the Notes client or the BlackBerry. And if we look at the activity detail, the text, date, and rich text content is displayed. If there are related attachments, they are listed here too. Clicking Contacts shows contact summary information. And again, we can click Next to easily page through the list. These are only a few examples of the types of applications Velocity AppXtender for IBM Lotus Domino can create, and each one was built using simple forms and fields in Lotus Notes. Extend important data wherever it's needed and optimize workflow with Velocity AppXtender. The flexible power and efficiency of mobile applications now in the hands of Lotus administrators and developers.